Here's a couple of thousand.
Leave me alone. I don't ever want to hear from you ever again.
Yay! It's Memorial Day with Gareth Face,
Gara.
Asian.
Hola.
Rob.
I almost sneezed in your face.
Ew.
What do you mean, ew? You're the one kissing him afterwards.
And Armani.
Ew.
The cutest, most amazing Trinidadian in the world. Don't, not my clip. Oh.
Something else. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, now I'm gonna fix my hair.
I thought so too.
I was like, why would you all keep touching that? Ew.
Up. What? Oh.
Sounds like they're almost done, or actually done.
Only flipped them once. They're done.
Isn't that the George Foreman girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit should be done.
Only half.
Is it really? George is slacking. I have a small portable one at my house.
You jackass, you made me do that.
Guarantee you.
What, is the small one?
Honey, you ruined my hair.
Well, he's gay. I don't know.
Exactly. As they're filming the same.
Good job.
It's for future reference.
Getting, hi.
What are you doing?
Getting rid of pictures from the other day.
We're just waiting for the arrival of Eliana and Angela and then and Edri, so.
I'm not be here for the whole night.
When?
I just have to go to Merlin.
I know.
Oh God, that would have hurt.
I knew you were going to dance before.
You have no idea how much that would have hurt.
What?
What?
I
Alright, text
if
you
I would
later.
have put it right